Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of Aldi's upcoming finds for September the 14th through September the 20th. Specially selected iced cinnamon slice loaf cake, $3.99. Specially selected fluffer mutter or brownie cookies, $4.49. Frilly Farms almond nog, $2.89. Park Street Deli pulled chicken or boneless pork ribs in 3-pepper sauce, $6.99. Raised American organic grass-fed beef barbacoa, $6.99. Guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, please like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much. Simply Nature organic chicken sausage, harvest apple or cranberry sage, $4.99. Fremont Fish Market popcorn shrimp, $6.49. Fuchsia Asian Inspirations shrimp fried rice or kung po noodles with shrimp meal kit, $8.99. Kirkwood family size chicken breast nuggets, $5.99. Mad Menace pumpkin spice ice cream cookie sandwiches, $4.29. Mama Cozy's Pizza Kitchen garlic breadsticks, $1.89. Mama Cozy's Pizza Kitchen stone baked pizza or cheese or veggie, $4.99. Mama Cozy's Pizza Kitchen 3 cheese mini pizza bagels, $5.95. New York Bakery 3 cheese sticks, $3.68. Screamin' Sicilian Betsy's Revenge Pizza, $6.98. Season's Choice Quick Fries, $2.69. Season's Choice Antioxidant Boost or Super Greens Smoothies, $5.99. Simply Nature Organic Pizza Spinach and Feta or Roasted Vegetables, $4.99. Whole and Simple Steak and Cheddar or Chicken Cilantro Lime Burrito, $1.99. Simply Nature Fresh Family Pack Organic Grass-Fed 8515 ground beef, $4.99 per pound. Fresh Marinated Carne Asada, $6.99. Wild Caught Sockeye Salmon, $12.99. Wild Caught Sockeye Salmon, $12.99. My goodness, these names kills me. Brock's Candy Corn, $1.99. Clancy's Original or Sea Salt and Vinegar Reduced Fat Kettle Chips. See price in store. Hershey's Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Miniatures, $2.98. Hershey's All-Time Greats Chocolate Sweets Assorted Mix, $14.74. Hershey's All-Time Greats Snack Size 60 pieces, $9.94. Hershey's All-Time Greats Snack Size 90 pieces, $14.74. Mars Fun Size Twix or Milky Way, $3.78. Mars Chocolate Favorite Variety Mix 225 pieces, $16.98. That's 225 pieces. Hershey's Reese's Pumpkin and Kit Kat Snack Size 80-piece Assortment, $14.74. Specially selected caramelized onion and balsamic vinegar or gorgonzola pita chips, $2.49. Tootsie Rolls Child's Play, $9.94. Specially selected pine nut or goat cheese ravioli, $3.26. Ace cider pumpkin hard cider, $10.99. Wicked Grove caramel apple hard cider, $7.99. Benner sparkling tea assorted varieties, $3.49. Gatorade G Fit, see price in store. Gold Peak 6-pack assorted varieties, $6.38. Keurig K-Cups assorted varieties, $6.99. Vitamin water assorted varieties, $1.38. Okay, friends, this concludes all these upcoming finds for September the 14th through September the 20th. This is part 2. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. And as my little friends say, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all so much again, and have a wonderful day. Bless you.